Hello everyone, my name is Sage Morada and today I will be walking you through one of my automation project built using Go High Level. So this project is an appointment booking funnel and CRM automation system designed specifically for car repair and automotive service businesses. So the goal of the system is to simplify appointment scheduling, reduce administrative work, improve customer communication, and minimize missed appointments through automation. So many repair shops still rely on phone calls, manual scheduling, spreadsheets, and back and forth communication to manage appointments. While the process works, it can consume valuable time that staff would otherwise spend service customers growing the business. So in this demonstration, I will show you how this system works from the customer's perspective, how the automation handles appointments management, and how it helps businesses operate more efficiently. So before implementing this solution, many service face common challenges. Customers need to call or send message to schedule appointments. Staff must manually confirm bookings and appointment reminders often need to be sent manually. Customer needs to reschedule, must contact mm, business directly, miss appointments, and can result in lost revenue and unused technician time. So additionally, staff spend staff spend hours every week managing appointment related tasks instead of focusing on actual repair or repair services. So the objective of this automation is to eliminate those repetitive processes while maintaining a professional customer experience. So let me start showing the booking funnel and this page where customer can select their preferred service date and time here. Okay. Using bricks, I made these booking funnels. Um, the interface is simple and user friendly. So instead of calling the shop, a customer can immediately view available time slots and schedule an appointment themselves. So once customer select a date and time and submits the booking form, the appointment is automatically create inside in Go High Level. So so at this point, there is no manual intervention required from staff. The customer receives immediately confirmation and appointment is recorded within the CRM. So after the booking form, the thank you page will show. So only we can do is to check if we receive the if we receive the email confirmation. Okay. You can see we receive the confirmation email. Okay. Create uh, link of the schedule and cancel link if the client wants to reschedule or cancel the book appointment schedule. Okay. So now let's move over to the CRM pipeline. So every book appointment automatically enters the pipeline. So as you can see, John Doe is already there, which is who books on our book appointment panels. So the stages included new lead, appointment book, scheduled, um, cancel, no show, um, and showed or attended. So as you can see, okay, this pipeline provides a clear visual representation of every appointment currently being managed by the business. So instead of searching through emails, spreadsheet, or messages, staff can instantly see the status of every customer appointment. This improvement organization and create a centralized workflow for the entire team. So we move on automation. So once a booking is completed, so the automation workflow, uh, appointment confirmation email. So I already like I show before recently. Let me show you the workflow. Immediately after booking, the customer receive an email containing appointment details. Here, I will show you again. Here, okay. Appointment date and time, business information, the schedule link here, and cancellation link here. So this provides customer with everything they need without requiring staff to manually send confirmation. The confirmation process creates a professional customer experience while reducing administrative effort. So, okay, move back to our to high level. One of the biggest reason business lose revenue is missed appointments. So to address this, I created automated reminder workflow. So at as the appointment date approaches, we customer receive reminders emails. These reminders help ensure customer remember their appointment um and arrive on time. So instead of instead of relying on staff to send reminders manually, the system handles the entire process automatically. So even recovering a single um missed appointment per day can significantly improve monthly revenue for many repair shops. So the reminders sequence also improves customer communication and professionalism. Customer feel informed and prepared before arriving for services. Okay, so need to see the enrollment history. So here, John Doe, who fill up the form and schedule an appointment for um, repair. So you need to see the execution path to know where the customer, okay, is already there in a wait. So we need to do to see if working the workflow is to force, since we need to wait for almost a day. So okay, need to check after 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. So we'll automatically send reminders again for 24 hours before the scheduled appointment. So we need to check if we already received the reminder. Okay, wait. We need to check the subject. Mm, Since this is a test email, ganun. To check the spam. What? Okay, few minutes ago. So here, okay. After the reminder, we back our go level. Okay, move on. On and for another common challenge for a business is managing appointment changes. Traditionally, customer need to call the shop and speak with staff. In this system, customer can handle this action themselves. So if a customer clicks the reschedule link, they can select a new appointment time. The CRM automatically updates the appointment status and moves the opportunity to the appropriate pipeline stage. The same process applies to cancellations. When customer cancel their appointments, workflows automatically update the CRM and trigger the necessary follow-up action. The self-service process reduce administrative um, workload and improve the customer experience. So, example, we will cancel the book appointment. The book appointment cancel will show and say cancel. So we need to check the if the pipeline already move on the cancel stage, if our customer already on cancel stage. So opportunity, okay, you can see we already John Doe already moved to cancel stage. Okay, in automation, we need to check if uh, the client already comes in on this uh, workflow. So here you can as you can see, John Doe comes in. So we need to see the execution path to know if already comes in. So here the cancel So need to wait 1 day if John Doe will reschedule the book appointment. So we need to check if we receive this send reschedule email. Okay. Okay. As you can see, we already received the cancel. Uh, but there's a email link. So we need to do is to search this subject since this email already sent many email. So here, as you can see, we received a reminder for 1 day. Okay. So how about if we reschedule again? So we need to do is go to the link and schedule. So example, we move to June 26 and set a time, select the scheduling. Okay. So as you can see, our date and time already updated. So we need to do is to check the pipeline. We need to go to pipeline. Okay. Jando already moved to reschedule stage. So on automation, we need to do is to double check if our condition once meet the condition. Okay, enrollment history. Since okay, after 1 day, oh, so you can see. So once the condition met, remove tag, cancel, and no show, and add tag, reschedule, and book. So and then move to rescheduled stages. As we can see, recently, Jando already there on a scheduled stage. So then move to uh, another workflow, which is in a confirmation and reminders workflow here. So we need to check if we already received the confirmation email. So it receive. Okay, you can see we already received the scheduling and canceling, also the book confirmation email. Okay. For although most of the process is automated, there are still a situation where human verification is important. So specifically determining whether a customer actually attended the appointment after scheduled appointment time, the system automatically send an internal notification to the staff. So these reminders prompt teams reminder members to update the appointment outcome. So staff can tag or update the status of the customer as if showed or no show. This ensures the business maintains accurate records while still benefiting from automation. So the combination of automation and human oversight creates an reliable, practical workflow. So what we need to do is to back to our, how about if we um, after the, okay, we need to force, no, but we need to check first the reminders. Okay, reminders 24 hours. So 4 hours, 1 hour. So until on the internal notification. So we'll skip that. So to uh to know if the client arrive on that scheduled date and time. So the staff can update their the status of if the customer showed or arrive or not show on the appointment bookings appointment. So wait, we need to pause again. Okay, see execution path. So here, so how about if we in the calendar John Doe uh, showed, okay, sample, the customer already arrived and successfully repaired their car. So the staff will update this in here on the calendar. So we need to check if the opportunity or the pipeline stage will update John Doe already attended or showed. Okay? Means our workflow and systems are fully working. Okay? So here the follow-up reminder. So so let's talk about the business value. The system can significantly reduce the spend managing appointments for many repair shops. Administrative staff spend for several hours every week. So confirming bookings, sending reminders, handling reschedules, and updating records. By automating those tasks, business can potentially save between 10 to 20 hours per week, depending on appointment volume. Uh, so additional benefits on this system: reduce no-shows, improve customers communication, faster booking management, better appointment visibility, improve operation efficiency more than spent on revenue generating activities. Most importantly, every appointment is tracked from booking through application. Nothing get lost and customer receive consistent communication through the process. So to summarize, this appointment booking panel and CRM automation system help automotive service business automate appointment management from start to finish. So customer can book appointment online, receive automated confirmation and reminders, manage reschedule, cancellation themselves, and remain connect through consistent communication. So meanwhile, gain better visibility, reduce administrative workload, and a more organized process for managing appointments. So this project was built using Go high-level funnels, calendar, CRM opportunities, workflow, automation, email automation, and internal notification. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this project walkthrough. If you are interested in implementing similar automation for business, feel free to connect with me, and I'm happy to discuss how automation can help streamline your operation. So thank you and good day.